Most people think ending arguments requires improving your point, overpowering the other person, or walking away. But here's the sole truth. The fastest way to end most arguments isn't about winning. It's about shifting the energy that keeps the fight alive. Stay with me, because by the end, I'll show you one simple trick that ends most arguments quickly while leaving both souls strong instead of scared. Welcome to Mashing Life's Adventures, the channel where we combine spiritual psychology with practical tools to help you lead from your true self, your soul, the substance of your life. I'm Dr. Judith, coach psychologist, and in this space, we talk about ways to deepen love, communicate with courage, lead with insight, and grow your soul every day. Think about it. The last argument you were in, forces got louder, emotions rose higher, and the point of the fight started to blur. In that moment, both people wanted to be heard. No one was truly listening. And here's the paradox. Arguments don't end because someone wins. They end when the cycle of ego breaks and the soul steps forward. Remember to pause the reaction. Most arguments keep burning because we fuel them with immediate reactions. A pause, a deep breath, a moment of silence breaks the cycle. It creates space for the soul to step in. Reflect what you hear. Here's the trick. Repeat back the heart of what the other person is saying. Something as simple as, "So what I hear you say is that you felt dismissed." Instantaneously shifts the fight. Why? Because the deepest need in arguments isn't victory, it's validation, it's to be heard. So next, respond with calm presence. The energy you carry is more powerful than the words you choose. A calm tone, steady eyes, slower movements, they all signal safety. And safety ends battles faster than shouting ever could. Reframe the goal. Instead of fighting to be right, shift the goal to being real. Say, "I don't want to fight you. I want to understand you." That one sentence turns the battle into common ground. Here's the soul-centered trick that makes all the difference. The real approach is this. Offer dignity before defense. When you honor the other person's soul, even while disagreeing, the fight loses its fuel. Arguments burn out when dignity is restored, because the soul doesn't need to fight once it feels seen. The next time you're in an argument, pause, reflect, stay calm, and reframe. But above all, offer dignity before defense. And that's the one trick that ends most arguments fast. Because arguments don't end when one side wins. They end when both souls feel valued and heard. How might you keep this in mind? If this spoke to you, share it, reflect on it, and subscribe for more wisdom that helps you transform conflict into connection.